Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best electric motor jacket of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1, 5XL Motorcycle Jackets. 5XL Motorcycle Jackets, enhancing rider safety and comfort. Motorcycle riding offers a thrilling and liberating experience for enthusiasts, but it also comes with inherent risks. Safety should be a top priority for riders, and one of the key elements in achieving this is protective gear. In this context, 5XL motorcycle jackets take center stage as essential apparel for riders, particularly for men seeking full-body armor protection while engaging in motocross, enduro racing, and other moto-related activities. The primary purpose of 5XL motorcycle jackets is to provide riders with a high level of safety, offering comprehensive protection against potential risks on the road or off-road terrains. These jackets are specifically designed to cater to larger individuals, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for those who require 5XL sizing. Key features of 5XL motorcycle jackets. Full body armor protection. 5XL motorcycle jackets are equipped with to safeguard the wearer's vital body parts in the event of a fall or collision. This includes reinforced protection for the shoulders, elbows, spine, and chest. Durability and quality. These jackets are typically constructed from high-quality materials, such as abrasion-resistant fabrics and reinforced stitching, to withstand the rigors of motorcycle riding. They are built to last even in demanding conditions. Ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial to maintaining rider comfort during long rides. Many 5XL motorcycle jackets come with strategically placed vents or mesh panels to promote airflow, keeping the rider cool and dry. Adjustability. These jackets often feature adjustable straps and fastenings to ensure a snug fit for riders of various body types. This customization is vital for both safety and comfort. Style and design. While safety is paramount, many 5XL motorcycle jackets also offer a stylish design, allowing riders to express their personality while staying protected. Various colors and styles. Weather resistance. Some jackets come with weather-resistant features, such as removable liners or waterproof materials, making them suitable for different weather conditions. Pockets and storage. Practicality is key, and many 5XL motorcycle jackets include multiple pockets and storage options for carrying essentials, such as smartphones. Product 2. 21 Areas Heated Jacket. The 21 Areas Heated Jacket is a versatile and innovative outerwear option designed to provide exceptional warmth and comfort during cold weather conditions. This heated jacket is equipped with advanced technology to distribute heat across 21 different areas, making it suitable for both men and women. It can be used for various outdoor activities such as motorcycle riding, skiing, hiking, or simply staying warm during the winter season. Key features of the 21 Areas Heated Jacket include electric heating technology. This jacket utilizes electric heating elements to generate warmth efficiently. 21 Heating Zones. The jacket is equipped with heating elements strategically placed across 21 different areas, ensuring thorough and consistent heat distribution. USB powered. It can be conveniently powered through a USB connection, allowing you to use a power bank or any compatible power source for extended heating. Gender-neutral design. Designed to cater to both men and women. It offers a wide range of size options to suit various body types. Versatile use. The jacket is ideal for a wide range of activities, such as motorcycle riding, winter sports like skiing, and hiking, as well as everyday wear during cold weather. Cozy and stylish. It combines functionality with style, so you can stay warm while looking fashionable. Adjustable heating levels. Many heated jackets offer multiple heat settings, allowing you to customize your warmth level based on the weather and personal comfort. Product 3. Product name. Duhin Motorcycle Jackets. Duhin motorcycle jackets are a popular choice among motorcyclists, offering a range of features designed to enhance safety, comfort, and style during rides. These jackets are specifically tailored for men who engage in motorcycle riding, whether it's for daily commuting, motocross racing, or other motorbike activities. One of the standout features of Duhin motorcycle jackets is their emphasis on protection. They are crafted with high-quality materials and innovative design elements to provide riders with a significant level of protection. These jackets are equipped with durable armor, padding, and abrasion-resistant materials, which help reduce the risk of injury in the event of an accident. Additionally, They often come with reinforced stitching to enhance overall durability, ensuring a longer lifespan for the jacket. Weather conditions can be unpredictable, and Duhin motorcycle jackets take this into account. Many of their offerings are designed to be waterproof and cold-proof, allowing riders to comfortably face adverse weather, compromising their safety. The waterproof feature keeps riders dry in rainy conditions, while the cold-proof design helps retain warmth during colder rides. Duhin motorcycle jackets also pay attention to the style and aesthetics of their products. They come in a variety of designs, colors, and styles, ensuring that riders can find a jacket that not only provides protection, but also matches their personal taste and complements their overall riding gear. In summary, Duhin motorcycle jackets are a popular choice for male motorcycle enthusiasts, offering a combination of protection, comfort, and style. These jackets are well suited for a wide range of riding activities and are equipped with features like waterproofing and cold-proofing to enhance. Product name: Men's motorcycle jackets. Men's motorcycle jackets play a crucial role in the world of motorcycling, offering not only a stylish look, but also vital protection for riders. These jackets are designed to cater to the unique needs and demands of motorcyclists, ensuring safety, comfort, and style on the road. The paragraph you provided seems to describe a specific type of men's motorcycle jacket, known as the Turtle Full Body Armor Protection Jacket, which is tailored to provide comprehensive protection for riders engaged in activities such as motocross, enduro racing, and other high-impact motorcycling sports. Key features and aspects of men's motorcycle jackets typically include protection. Safety is paramount when riding a motorcycle, and motorcycle jackets are equipped with various protective elements. The Turtle Full Body Armor Protection Jacket seems to emphasize full body protection, safeguarding riders from potential impacts and abrasions. Armor. Many motorcycle jackets incorporate and back to absorb and distribute the force of impacts. This can significantly reduce the risk of injury in case of a fall or accident. Durability. Given the exposed nature of motorcycle riding, jackets are constructed with durable materials that can withstand the rigors of the road and offer long-lasting performance. Weather resistance. Motorcycle jackets often come with weather-resistant features to protect riders from the elements. This might include water-resistant or waterproof materials to keep riders dry in rainy conditions. Ventilation. Proper ventilation is essential to keep riders comfortable. Many jackets have strategically placed vents that allow airflow, especially in warm weather, to prevent overheating. Style. While safety is paramount, style is also important to many riders. Motorcycle jackets are available in various styles, colors, and designs, allowing riders to express their individuality and personal preferences. Comfort. Comfort is a set of ergonomic features, adjustable cuffs, and collar closures to ensure a snug and comfortable fit. Pockets and storage. Jackets typically come with multiple pockets for riders to carry essential items while on the road. Reflective elements. Reflective materials or panels are often integrated into motorcycle jackets to enhance visibility during nighttime riding, improving overall safety. In the context of the Turtle Full Body Armor Protection Jacket, it appears to be a specialized product for riders engaged in more extreme and high-impact forms of motorcycling, where comprehensive protection is a priority. Such jackets may have Product name: Harabeker Waterproof Motorcycle Jacket. The Harabeker Waterproof Motorcycle Jacket is a piece of motorcycle gear designed to provide riders with protection and comfort, specifically in wet and adverse weather conditions. This motorcycle jacket features waterproof properties, making it suitable for riding in the rain or through damp environments. Key features of the Harabeker Waterproof Motorcycle Jacket include waterproof design. The jacket is constructed with materials and a design that effectively repels water, keeping the rider dry in wet conditions. This is particularly important for maintaining comfort and safety during rainy rides. Racing jacket style. The jacket is designed with a racing style, making it not only functional but also stylish. It's suitable for riders who want to combine performance and aesthetics. Wearable motorcycle pants. The product is not limited to just a jacket. It also includes wearable motorcycle pants. This ensures that riders have comprehensive protection for their upper and lower body. EVA Protection. The jacket is equipped with EVA ethylene vinyl acetate protection, which is known for its impact resistance. This provides additional safety features for riders, especially in the event of a fall or collision. Overall, the Harabeker Waterproof Motorcycle Jacket is a versatile piece of motorcycle gear that caters to the needs of riders who venture out in various weather conditions. It offers protection, style, and practicality for motorcycle enthusiasts, and its waterproof design is particularly valuable for those who frequently encounter rain during their rides. Additionally, the inclusion of EVA protection adds a layer of safety, making it a suitable choice for riders who prioritize their well-being on the road. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.